Welcome to Elephant Fence, Habarana, Hotel and Restaurant. Your gateway to a world of unforgettable experiences in the heart of Habarana, Sri Lanka. Unwind in our luxurious private rooms, thoughtfully designed for your ultimate comfort and privacy. With modern amenities, spacious layouts, and breathtaking views, each room offers a serene retreat to relax and recharge. Dine under the stars at Chill and Grill, our elegant open-air restaurant and bar. Savor a fusion of Sri Lankan and global cuisine, paired with your favorite drink, in a setting of natural beauty and sophisticated charm. Whether it's a barbecue evening or a cozy bonfire, every meal is a celebration. Step into the heart of Sri Lankan village life with our unique activities. Ride a traditional hand tractor, cook local delicacies, or join in the fascinating journey of rice making, from paddy to plate. These authentic moments connect you to the soul of our culture. Find serenity on a tranquil lake as you glide across in a traditional boat. Feel the cool breeze, pluck vibrant water lilies, and bask in the melodies of nature, a peaceful rhythm you'll cherish forever. For thrill seekers, embark on a jeep safari to nearby national parks. Witness majestic elephants and untamed wildlife up close, guided by experts who prioritize your safety and unforgettable moments. It's a wild adventure you'll never forget. As the day winds down, gather around a crackling bonfire under the starlit sky. Discover the perfect blend of luxury, adventure, and culture at Elephant Fence Villa, Hotel and Restaurant. Your extraordinary journey awaits. Contact us for booking and reservation.